James Melendez. Today I'm going to talk to you about inserting Excel spreadsheets into PowerPoint using data from Excel that will be automatically updated to your PowerPoint. Stay tuned. And by the way, this is just for Mac PowerPoint 2016. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for this content. I'm going to show you three methods and one that I think I use most often because of the applications that I'm using this for. So this is to insert paste special and to use a PNG. So this is just to get that exact look because you don't want to reformat. You have the data there and perhaps it's a one-time use. So you have this ready to view, ready to use. That's one method, and I think a lot of people do use this. So there's that, and then secondarily, there is the insert and object. Now, people do use this because they're used to using, say, in a PC format, and it does work a little bit better in some formats, and sometimes it works better in, say, a different version of Mac. But here's what we have here. So from the file, I'm going to go and look at the sample data and input that here, and you'll see what that looks like. That's very, very small, and it's always going to look slightly different. So you get all these other lines. It's not very helpful, and it's something that I think is really one of the downsides of this. And so it's a little unmanageable. It doesn't work the way I'd like it to work. And so I don't recommend this because you can't really remove the lines below, say, Central, Morgan, and Binder. Anything below this you can't remove that easily. You can perhaps in a PC version of Excel, so I don't use this. But the third method that I do use is pretty much like the first method. Here we go. Insert that through Paste Special, and you're going to see Microsoft Excel Worksheet Object. Hit OK, and you can size this in any direction you want. Now, I'm going to give you some examples here how I use this. I use this primarily in maybe weekly or bi-weekly meetings, something that's going to be repeated, and you're going to maybe show performance of cells, and you want to update that over time, but not recreate this every single meeting that you have. So this PowerPoint, for example, I've embedded this particular spreadsheet. Now, what I don't like about this is I can't go back to the sample data and say increase units here by 150 because guess what? Nothing happens, nothing changes. So what I have to do is actually click on the spreadsheet within PowerPoint. It does change a name. It's Worksheet in Inserting Excel. Now you can make changes here, and you'll see that it's pretty handy and it's nice to have that feature and functionality. So I've changed these to 125 quantity, which you see right here in the spreadsheet. And so when you look at this, you can say, okay, I'm going to go and save this. That is for this snapshot of this week, and maybe you have a date of this particular item that you're running on a weekly basis. Maybe this is for October 1st, 2022. So you have that capability here. And so that is one of the counterintuitive sides. So anytime you see this and you go to your spreadsheet, double click to get to your data that you can manipulate. You cannot do so again from just the sample data that you pulled up originally to copy and paste this to PowerPoint. So this is something that is helpful. So again, this is for Mac, not for PC. This is for the 2016 version. And of course, this can change in terms of how this works in each different version. But for those users who have 2016 and use Mac, this is how to do this. Thank you for watching. More content, more James the Tech Guy videos to come. Thank you for watching, and I will see you very soon.